So just beforehand, I really want to apologise for my voice today. It's just one of those days where you've got a cold, but you've just got to get on with it. You can't play the suffering card anymore. Anyway, so this is the 55mm prime lens, and it's also nicknamed the Nifty 50. I'll explain why in a bit. So it has a large focal lens, which is really, really good in low lighting. So if you compare this aperture to, say, the 70-300 or even the kit lens, it's a lot wider. This means that it can take in more light and it can give you a better overall photo. The lens itself is a f1.8, which is really good. So if you get the 1.4, apparently it's around, I think I said like just under 2,000. Might be a bit wrong. Pounds, by the way. But the one down from this is I think he said like the F4 maybe, the F2 point something. Anyway, that's a lot more money as well. So, as he referred it to the sweet spot, which is a decent price for a lens, but it's also a really good lens. However, it doesn't zoom. You can't zoom in. So you can see here, there's not anything to zoom with, which is pretty good as it makes you move. So it makes you get the framing right. It makes you think of all of your angles, all of your lighting. It makes you move, which is good. The best photos to take with this is a shallow focus. So if you want to do portraiture, this is the best lens to do. But if you're trying to do the wide shots, something like the 70-300 would be a lot better.